Hello guys, if you are currently participating in CEXP.io airdrop, then you should see this video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing like the recent updates on CEXP.io and how you can withdraw your CEX points, and also what actually happened to all your CEX points. So if you're wondering that you can no longer see your CEX points in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go about the new claiming method in CEXP.io. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into this video. But before going to doing that, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, come on, why using your superpower for? You've got superpower and it's about that you use it. Smash the subscription button so that when I make cool and awesome videos like this, you be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will help you grow and become financially successful like in this year. So now that you've done that, let me quickly go to today's video. Okay guys, so if you open this your CEXP.io Power Tab app, so basically this is what you're going to see, and one of the things is that you see before now you see that if you have like CEXP.io exchange app, you can see that your CEXP point, right, when you do the conversion, you can see the balance right at your CEXP.io you can see it on your CEXP.io. But one of the things that just happened recently is this innovation. Now here, if you tap on airdrop, you see that it's going to take you to BeCEXY.io. So basically BeCEXY.io is a web3 space that caters for airdrops and other things, right? So here now you see the project will change the approach how you spend time on web3 space. I know the web3 is the next big thing. So before now the airdrop withdrawal was supposed to be on CEXP.io, right? But now they changed it from CEXP.io to BeCEXY.io, right? So that's going to be the place that we are going to use to get our airdrop, right? So if you are farming this, it's very important that you do this. So to do that, now you click on get started. It will require you to put your email address, so you go ahead to put your email address. When you put your email address, they are going to send you the confirmation list on the confirmation email on your email. So you just tap on it and follow the instruction. It's pretty straightforward. So for this, let me quickly put my email. So you go to your email to get the confirmation code. So let me just tap on the confirmation code here. So this is it. So here you come and copy and you paste it. Click on paste, then click on continue. Then you see this success, right? Now you are registered successful and you'll be notified for further public updates. Now to get exclusive early bird access, please enter your verification code. So this is very important. If you don't have your verification code, you will not be able to proceed. So you need the verification code for you to get this to get your airdrops. So what I'm going to leave, if you don't have a verification code, I'm going to leave a verification code in the description section that will enable you to register. And one of the reasons why they did this is to get more people into farming this, right? So guys, so basically that's the recent update, and if you have any question with CEXP.io, please you can just drop it. I'll be able to help. And also one of the issues that a lot of persons have been asking is actually about the fact that they can no longer see their balance. So I think I'm going to make a next video about that so that you see basically what is happening. I love you guys. Stay positive. Till next time. Cheers.